Hello everyone, you're welcome to MyProfessorNote. This is Bhupesh Sharma. So here in this video, I'm going to tell you that how to know that you are fully prepared for your UGC NET examination or not. UGC NET English and for the paper 1. So when you are in the last moment of your preparation and your exam is just about to happen, you're just completely confused. You do not know, will I be able to qualify my exam or not? Have I done enough? Is there something else that I still have to study, right? So there is a way out. That one thing that you need to do. If you are able to solve 70 to 75% questions in the PYQPs from the 2004 to 2021, every single topic which is given there, whether it is your writer, whether it is your theory, English in India, all the 10 units, you must be able to solve at least 70 to 75% questions in your UGC NET English. If that is the case, it means that you are fully prepared and you are able to qualify this exam and surely able to get your JRF, even though if your paper 1 preparation is equally on the same level. So how to know about the paper 1? You must be at least solving more than 35 questions in your paper 1 in your mocks. And when you give your mocks, don't you forget to revise, because most of the cases, what happens, there's a students who are good in their English literature, they are quite weak in their maths, reasoning, DIs. जब आप उसे सॉल्व करते हो अपने मॉक को पेपर 1 के, उसे रिवाइज कर लिया करो. वहाँ पे सॉल्यूशंस दिए होते हैं फॉर योर DIs, फॉर योर मैथ्स एंड रीजनिंग. सो वहाँ से देख के कि किस तरह से उस मैथ्स को सॉल्व किया गया था, किस तरह से उस रीजनिंग को सॉल्व किया गया था, किस तरह से उस DI को सॉल्व किया गया था, वहाँ से एक आइडिया लेके फिर उसे प्रैक्टिस करके इस बार दिस टाइम जो आपका पेपर हुआ था इन 2021, अगर उसमें दिए हुए आप हर एक क्वेश्चन को जो कि मैथ का है, रीजनिंग का है, DI को सॉल्व कर लेते हो, दैट मीन्स यू विल वेरी ईजीली be able to solve any of the questions which will be given there in your examination, in your paper 1. तो ये दो चीज़ें आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. एंड स्टिल इफ़ यू आर मिसिंग एनी पॉइंट और आपको लगता है कि आपकी प्रेपरेशन अच्छी नहीं हुई है, ठीक है, आपने बहुत से राइटर्स, बहुत सी थियोरीज, बहुत सी यूनिट्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स, जैसे कि आपका इंग्लिश इन इंडिया हो गया, आपका रिसर्च मेथड हो गया, आपका कल्चर स्टडीज़ हो गया, यहाँ पे आप बहुत सी चीज़ें अभी भी छोड़ रहे हैं. स्टिल देयर इज़ अ टाइम. You can get access to the MyProfessorNote, to the point notes, get access to them, study them. I have given my contact below in the description box. There you can contact me and I'll share the details with you to buy the notes. Alright, all you have to do is, it contains 16 files, right? All your units are covered here. You just go through them, you just revise them. It will just take you 2 to 3 hours every single day. If you have already read and you do not have your notes ready and you're looking something, only the things that covers just every single thing in a very precise manner. So these are the notes that you need to have in your hand. So keep revising them and just do the other stuff in a day, like your paper 1 mocks and revising them, because in the last moment giving mock and revision is the most important thing. It does not matter how many books you have read, but at the very end, how many things you are able to recall. When you're in the examination room, you are given there like 100 questions. Obviously we have the 100 questions, right, in your paper 2. Exactly, you will be able to do like the questions that will be that you will be able to solve through your memory just within a second. I know the answer of it. That will be around only 35 to 40%. And after that, it is only a guesswork. You have to make a connections, right, between answer and the options. For that, you have to read a lot. And these notes, these to the point notes, help you to cover just every single aspect, all the crucial details of the examination, right? And so, as I told you, that if you are able to solve more than 75% questions and the topic given in the PYQPs, it means NET JRF will be yours. Consistency and the discipline is the way out. There will be hard moments, but you still have to keep going through it. I'll come up with another useful video. very soon. Till then time, this is Bhupesh Sharma, my Professor Note, signing off.